Hey guys, continuing on our theme of National Preparedness Month, we thought we'd focus this week on survival food. Did you know that survival experts recommend that everyone have at least 72 hours worth of food stashed away for an emergency situation? Well, we did, and we wanted you to feel prepared too. So we thought, why not actually unpack and show you what you get in our 72-hour survival food kit? As it implies, this kit has 3 days worth of food. 1 breakfast, 1 lunch, and 1 dinner option. We've got Grammy's sweet oatmeal, America's finest mac and cheese, and creamy rice and vegetable dinner. I purchased the buy one get one free deal, so I have 2 here. And I didn't want to just show you the packages, I wanted to cook all this up and show you exactly what you'll be surviving on for 72 hours. So let's get to it. There you have it. This is what 3 days of survival food looks like for 2 people. That is a lot of food. If for whatever reason you find yourself in an emergency situation, these 72-hour kits are great. And with 2, you could have survival food in multiple places. 1 at home, 1 in your emergency shelter. Very compact and lightweight. Alrighty, that's what you get in the 4 Patriot 72-hour survival food kit. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. See you next week.